Let me go. You're hurting me.
I don't have to. I don't have to stop for nothing.
He's cheating on me.
Yeah, she.
Move. Move.
He's cheating on her with her?
Move.
Oh, wow.
Move. Move.
Man, this guy's a manager, too. He's got it going on.
Move. 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 You're gonna protect her, really? You gonna come right now? Move. Move, Gabe. Move, Gabe. Move. Let me finish her up, man. Move, Gabe. Move, Gabe. Move, Gabe.
World star.
Move. No. I have
World star.
Move. Move. Move.
Where's he at when you need him?
Yo, get him, yo! Yo, come on, stop!
This is awesome. World star! World star!
What?
Because you were still talking to his friend.
Damn, I don't blame him though, man. I don't blame him.